Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. As in, yes you know it, young forever. In today's video I'll be making 3 DIY. 3 easy DIY. Christmas is around the corner and I know I'm late. But before we get into our DIY, I want to welcome back my subscribers. And if you're new here, thank you for joining. And if you're enjoying what you've seen, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and turn your notification bell on so each time I upload, you'll be the first to know. So my first DIY is gonna be this star wreath from the Dollar Tree. I also got some ornaments. All these from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need some rose gold. And I have my rose gold here. This is from Joanne. And you're gonna need some rose gold spray or paint, whichever you want your color to be. Rose gold glitter as well, if you want. I'm not sure about my rose gold either. My rose gold, you can either use this or you can use the spray, rose gold spray. As I said, I did go ahead and spray mine. See, did about 3. So we're gonna have 3 rose gold and 3 white. Okay, I'm gonna wrap first. Let's take off, cut a piece of it. I like these more than the Dollar Tree. See, I can just cut it and it's not rolling up on me. I love it. Okay, because it's so broad, I think I have to fold it in half. So what I'm gonna do is just wrap it around. And did I told you you're gonna need your handy dandy glue gun? Yeah. Okay, this is what we're looking like. Now, as I said, guys, you can use any wrap you want. I wasn't worrying about these either up here because they're gonna cover it. So what I'm gonna do is line out my, okay, simple and easy. Now you know I love lights, okay? So I'm gonna put some lights on them. Okay, so this is it. Okay, on to project number 2. We're gonna need a snowman. I'm gonna make a bling bling snowman. Okay. So of course, you know, we're gonna need a snowman. Then we're gonna need some bling bling. And we're gonna need one of these round signs from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but just in case. I did go ahead, of course, and paint the other side white because I'm gonna put it right in the center here. We also gonna need some stones, which I have it right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue the snowman to the board, or I have another option. I can just line up my gemstone around it and just glue everything together. So I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do. You know this take time consuming. I'm going to turn on and watch a movie in the same time. Okay. So I'm gonna glue everything together. I say I'm not sure. Yes, I have to use the board because you know the Snowman come with button. Do I have any red? I think I have red buttons. And then when I come back, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do for the scarf. So I'm using the Jot Clear Glue from Dollar Tree. Okay, here she goes. Now I have to go put this aside. Okay, my diva lovers, it's been 24 hours. So this is what Mrs. Claus look like. So I'm gonna make a hat for her. I believe I'm gonna line it the side with some bling bling. On the side, yeah, I'm gonna line the side with some bling bling. But before we do all of that, I'm gonna put her hat on. So I did go ahead and cut out 2 pieces of foam board, one for the back and one for the front. Huh? Okay, my queens and kings, now it's all done. This is the final step. So I did put bling around the edges, as you can see. So I was thinking of putting this here on, right there, but I said nah. So what I'm gonna do is put some red, since I have our button red, our nose red. She's not getting no orange nose, okay? She's not getting no snow orange nose. No, this is a bling bling Mrs. Snow. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on these red gems on our hat. Probably just one side too. Yeah, I'm just gonna do one side and probably put some glitter right here. Yes! You see, as I go along, I change up my DIY, so forgive me. As I go along, believe me, I change up. So I'm gonna put some glitter right here. I'll put it right here. I was gonna put the whole hat in a red gem, but then I go ahead and I said, oh no, I could just put it on half, and then I just put the rest in gem. Okay guys, my snow woman is finished, so I'm gonna put her on display. Okay, my diva lovers, so for the last DIY, I'm gonna make a Christmas Santa boot. Did I say it right? Christmas Santa boot. So I got this from Ross. It was on clearance. It says Dash Boots Glass. Of course, it's a beer glass. So I tried painting it with some, with some glow in the dark. That's why it looked like this. And it didn't work out. So we're gonna need a boot. I'm quite sure you can't find this again, but I'm going to use the boots. I'm going to paint it white. I'm going to use three of the Dollar Tree Christmas tree, and these are the iridescent. I don't see them this year. I have these from last year. I also have these picture that I used for my picture frame that I used for my Christmas last year. So I'm gonna paint them. What? Or should I let them stay in the same color? Yeah, I think I'm gonna let them stay in the same color for the Christmas tree. So I have 7 of them. Yeah, I'm gonna let them stay. This from my project from last year. This was my Christmas trend for last year. And I'm gonna cut out some pictures for my grandchildren and put them on the face of it, so like that. So I print these from previous party that they had. I have to find some more. 7 of them. And I need all 7 of them on my Christmas boot. But first, we're gonna, and also you're gonna need a paintbrush. And I need a red paint as well. And a black paint as well. Okay. So we're gonna start painting. So I'm gonna paint the boots. You know, Santa, right? It's a Santa boot I'm gonna paint. So it's a Christmas Santa boot, I believe. So I'm gonna paint it white. Then the Santa belt is gonna be down here. So it's gonna be red around the boots and then white, black in the middle. If I'm saying it right. So I'm gonna get this all done and I'll be right back. Okay, so my boots almost finished. All I got to do is to leave it to dry because it's wet right now. So this is what it looked like. So all I need is to just put the little bow, you know, the Santa with the little bow right there. Now we're gonna work on the decoration. Okay, my boot is done. My pictures in my grandchildren is finished. I know, the girl, you can't hardly see her face is very dark. So go find a lighter picture and change it, but until then, this is what we have. Now we're gonna open our Christmas tree and then put on my grandkids on it and then call it a day. I'll be right back. Okay, my diva lovers, so this is the end of my DIY. And I'm giving you a look of my Christmas. That's it. I am not doing nothing more. Nothing. I mean, I did it outside. I don't feel like going outside. So, this is it. This is my Christmas look. Right here. You're not supposed to be here, but now we're gonna give the lights. That's the light. There. And for my Mrs. Snow, that's her right there. And my ball, that's it right there. So that's my tour. That's a Christmas tour. That's it. As I said, I did outside too, but I feel like going outside. And then you have music. Christmas box. I love it. So stinking cute. I love it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Turn the notification bell on, so each time I upload, you will be the first to know. And again, if you're new here, thank you for joining the Queen of the Craft Room. And for my whole subscriber, thank you for staying with me. Okay? I want to wish everybody a Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. And I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!